at that, guys. All 4 wheels down. This is an even better test. All 4 wheels are down. Their contact on this one is on that surface, those 3 are on this surface. Got to mention I do have a different motor in there. This motor is a whole lot slower than the stock one, the N30. The extra one that they gave you with the kit. I got a story about that also, but I'll tell you guys about that later. So make sure you stay tuned. So it has a bit more torque, as you can see. Believe it or not, guys, this truck is growing on me more and more. To be honest, you probably got to put more money into it than you would want to if you got an SDXC out of the box. No problem to do the things that this one can do. But this is not a, this is a trail truck. So, of course, you're going to have to put more money into it because you're making it do things that it typically wouldn't do. It's like saying, I'm going to take a Toyota to sell and I'm going to beat a Corvette. Can it be done? Yes, it can. But how much money you're going to have to put into it and time you're going to have to put into to make it beat it. That's going to be the thing. So, if you're into modding things and having fun, I say yes. If you don't want to put that much time into it, I say no, because I'm not done. I'm still testing out different motors. Well, we're gonna be testing out different models. I got another set of tires I want to get. Probably gonna stick with the plastic wheels because the aftermarket wheels are, to me, they're very expensive. Since you know, like $65. Well, not the aftermarket, but the metal wheels. So I'm probably gonna stick with that. It's not much space in here. You'll notice I took my seating out, and I'll show that to you one day. The interior, I took it out. I'll show it to you why I did it. I could have taken my ESC out of the case, but I didn't want to take it out of the case. But it's just one of those things. I'm gonna get some wheels with a little bit more, tires with a little bit more clearance. The shocks are like night and day compared to what they were. I mean, 'cause they barely moved in the beginning. Like, I mean, they barely moved. Like, they were like that. But now, you see I got all that. That's a lot for this little thing. It's a whole lot. Alright guys, the next time is GNC RC. Thanks for watching.